Hand-over-hand steering. The hand-over-hand steering method is used for making sharp turns or navigating tight corners. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. Initial hand position. Place your hands at the 9 and 3 positions. This is your starting point for most steering maneuvers. Step 2. Begin the turn. For a right turn, pull the wheel down with your right hand while your left hand pushes up. Step 3. Crossing hands. When your left hand reaches the top area of the wheel, release your right hand, bring it up and over, and place it on the upper left section of the wheel to continue the turn. Step 4. Continue the motion. Move your hands over one another in a smooth, controlled sequence until the turn is complete. Step 5. Straighten the wheel. Reverse the motion to bring the wheel back to center. Continue until your hands return to the 9 and 3 position. To turn left, the steps are the same, just mirrored with the opposite hand leading.